How to save a Word document as a PDF file. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to save a Word document as a PDF file. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, we just need to head over and open our Word app right here. Now as you can see, I have a Word document open. So this Word document is titled Document 1. So if I want to save this specific Word document as a PDF file, what I need to do is just click on this file right here. And then from there, just click on Save As. And then in here, I can type in the name file. So for example, let's name it subscribe. And then from in here, as you can see, I can click on this Word document, and as you can see, you can just scroll down and there's a lot of extensions or files that you can choose from, but let's choose PDF right here. So you can also just change the location of what you want to save it. So for example, I want to save it right here. As you can see, this is the file name and this is the file type. So after that, I can just save it right here. And then as you can see, I have saved it. So I can open this file using my browsers. So let's try to open the file that we have saved as a PDF. So as you can see, I have now opened the file or the Word document that I have saved as a PDF file. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to save a Word document as a PDF file. If you have comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.